city of Hamilton. Critters running wild, Burlington's no exception. Got a handle with a smile. For 40 years we grinded, never lost our pace. Jim's the name to trust, we clear up every trace. Action Pest, we here to serve. No more bugs get on your nerve. Bedbugs and we rid your space. Call Jim today, make no mistake. From homes to businesses, we solve it all you see. Critters never stand a chance when Action Pest sets them free. Jim's got the know-how, decades in the game. Trust in our legacy, we're more than just a name. Action Pest, we here to serve. No more bugs get on your nerve. Bedbugs hands, we rid your space. Call Jim today, make no mistake. Jim's got the know-how, decades in the game. Trust in our legacy, we're more than just a name. Action Pest, we here to serve. No more bugs get on your nerve. Bedbugs hands, we